This is my computer science final project. This is a game called spikeJumper. Your goal is to control this red box who can move left, right, and jump. And your objective is to get to the end of the level and avoid all of these spikes. If you hit a spike, you go to the beginning of the level and you have to retry. So you can stand on the blue boxes and they act as platforms for you to get across. There are also coins hidden throughout that if you collect all of them, they appear at the on the end screen. So you have to navigate through the obstacles. If you jump, if you press the up arrow, you do a short hop, but if you hold it, you do a longer jump, like so. And then you can get a coin there. You can get a third coin here, and once you pass through the green wall, then you complete the level. And you can see I got all 3 coins, and I can reset the level if I want to and try again.